Do you know what happens when you stumble on a whole new world where nothing has been claimed yet? You buy real estate! To buy property in the virtual world is much easier than you think. All you need to do is to sign up in one of these metaverse platforms like Decentraland, Sandbox, Axie Infinity, and many others. And all you need to transact with these metaverse platforms is a well-funded digital wallet. Wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and the likes. You just need to convert your local currency to cryptocurrency like Ethereum or whatever native currency that metaverse platform uses. For example, Decentraland uses Mana as its local currency. So if you want to purchase a land on Decentraland, you have to have some Mana cryptocurrency. So here is a step-by-step guide on how you can buy real estate in the metaverse. Step 1. Like I said before, visit the property marketplaces of this metaverse such as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, etc. and log into their platform. For the sake of this video, we'll be using Decentraland because it's the most popular metaverse platform for buying real estate. Step 2. Browse the available lands on the platform and then compare prices. What you can see right now are the different lands available for purchase on Decentraland, and if you look at them, you can see that there are some numbers attached at the sides, and these are their prices in Mana. Mana being the native currency of Decentraland. What that means is you cannot purchase land in Decentraland using Ethereum, Bitcoin, or your local currency. Rather, you will have to purchase the Mana cryptocurrency to carry out transactions in Decentraland. Step 3. Once you have decided on the land that you want to purchase, you have to click on it and then read more about it. What you can see me do now is pretty much relatable. My avatar is here taking a look at the land, what it looks like, and just trying to envision what that land can be useful for in the future. It is similar to when you want to purchase a land in reality and you have to go there to check how big the land is, or whether the land is actually okay for you. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Step 4. The next thing is to link your digital wallet to the metaverse platform. For this, you would first need to get yourself a compatible digital wallet, like I said earlier, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. MetaMask is by far the most popular digital wallet available in the market today, and it is compatible with almost every property platform in the metaverse. So if you're new to digital wallets, you can actually start with MetaMask. So after linking it, that brings us to step 5. I'm okay. Please like and subscribe. Step 6. Fund your digital wallet with the currency that is needed to purchase land on the metaverse platform you have chosen, in this case, Decentraland. You can easily purchase this cryptocurrency through many exchanges and store the crypto safely in your digital wallet. After you're done selecting the land and funding your linked digital wallet, all you need to do is then click buy. Step 7. Once you're done with the transaction, this land that you purchased is then stored in the NFT tab of your digital wallet, and for you to see it, all you need to do is to click on the NFT section of your digital wallet. And now to the most important part of this video.
You must remember that before buying property in the metaverse, unlike investing in property markets in the real world where your acquired physical assets actually exist, the digital land in the metaverse will become non-existent if the platform you bought the land in fails or goes offline. The other point you must keep in mind is the high volatility associated with the cryptocurrency used to transact in the property market in the metaverse. As the valuation of the digital currency is not stable, the valuation of the property you own in the metaverse fluctuates proportionally as well. Also, investing in the digital real estate in the metaverse is a fairly new asset class and a lot remains unexplored. So investing in the digital real estate market is still a very speculative activity, and you have to weigh the pros and cons before making an investment decision.
So that's about it, guys. If you want to know other ways you can invest in the metaverse without necessarily buying real estate, watch this video. And if you don't even know what the metaverse is all about, watch this video.